Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to the Sukruta Educational Academy. This is Motiraj, trainer of aptitude. In last sessions, we have discussed how to find out squares in seconds. So as I observed, so questions were given from these digits, those are 3, 6 and 9. So now let us see how to solve those digits of squares in seconds. So these three digits are very important. So as I observed, many times questions were given from these three types of digits. So now let us see, and whatever the technique now I am going to teach here, and that would be applicable for only numbers 9, 6 and 3, right? So here you can observe here, note what are the techniques I am going to teach here. That technique will be applicable for only 9, 6 and 3. Such kinds of numbers only applicable here, and rest of the numbers already we have seen in last lessons. So with that concept we can answer rest of the techniques. So we can do these problems with the technique also, but here especially for these numbers we have a very good techniques how we can answer in seconds. So now let us see the what we can say here, these techniques how we can do, right? So now I am taking here I am taking now number 3. So we can take as many digits we want. So any digits we can do, answer with the same concept of questions. So let us take, initially I am taking 4 digit number. So 9919 I am taking here. Please observe carefully. So there are 4 digit square, that is 9999, right? So we know that, so 9 square means 81. So check it here, we have to be very careful, must be familiar with squares. 9 square, so 9 square means we know that 81. So when we find out the squares of these numbers, and this technique will be applicable for only 9, 6 and 3, and that would be the same numbers, right? Got my point? I hope everybody got this point. So here 999, so 9 squares means 81. Just simply write 8 here and 1 here, and now check it. So what is the lesser number than 1? Here lesser number than 1 means 0, and greater number than 8 is 9, right? I hope everybody got this point. But now let us take here, so there are 4 digits. When 4 digits will come, here we have to take the, what we can say, 3 lesser numbers than this number and 3 greater number than this number. It means when 4 digits would be given here, so 1 is here and lesser number is 0. So what we can say here, when 4 digits would be given, we have to take the lesser digits than this number. So if it is 4, then we have to take 3. If the numbers are 5, then we have to take 4. If the numbers are 5, then we have to take 4. If the numbers are 6, then we have to take 5. So in such a style we have to take. So and here greater number we have to take here. So same style when we follow like this, here this is the number 1 and lesser number than this one is what we can see here 0. There are 4 digits, that's why we have to take 3 zeros, right? And here this number is 8 and greater number is 9. So here what we can say here, there are number what we can say here 9. So 9 means how many 9s are there? 4. Then we have to take greater than this number is 9, but when the 4 numbers would be given, we have to take 3 numbers. So then what we can say here, 3 9s we have to take, and simple we can say this is called our answer. So 9999 whole square answer is 99980001. Simple we can say. And with the same numbers I'll tell you one more example. You can observe here. So coming to, I am taking here as a second question. This time I am taking 5 digit number. So 99,999 whole square we have to do it. See, now observe. Here we have taken 4 digits. Here we have taken 5 digits. But condition will be same. So same thing, same method I am following here. 9 square mean 81, 8 will be here, 1 will be here, and we know that, so lesser digit than 1 and greater digit than 8 we have to take. So there are 5 digits of 9s. So then what we can say here, lesser than 1 is what we can say, how many we have to take? Here 5 digit has been given, then we have to take 4 zeros. Then we have to take 4 zeros, right? And we have to take 4 9s. Why? Means there are 5 digits. So then we have to take 4 9s. So this is our answer. We can say this is our answer. In such a manner we can answer any kind of question. So friends, this time I am taking another number. So that is called 6 digit square. How we will do it? So 9,99,999. So I am taking here. So in first questions we have taken 4 digit number, and coming to second one we have taken 5 digit number. Now I am taking 6 digit number. So right. So same concept will be applicable here also. Now let us see. So there are 6 digits and all the numbers are similar. Those are 9. Right. 9 squares means 81. So 8 will be here, and what we can say here, 1 will be here. And now already we know that we have to take the lesser digit than this number and greater digit than this number. So if the numbers according to this number we have to take, so there are 6 digits are here, then we have to take 6 digit of lesser numbers than this. So then what we have to take here, there are 6, then we have to take 5 zeros, and here we have to take the, so what we can say, when 6 digit would be given, then we have to take the 5 greater digit than this number. So then 5 9s we have to take. So this is called our answer. Right. We can do the questions like that. So depends on digits we have to take. So and we have to divide like this, and we can answer any kind of questions like this. So in such a style, now let us see, let us take another number, another type of number, that is called 6. So I am taking 4 digit of 6 squares, 6,600 whole square. Now let us see how we will applicable. So 6 squares means 36. Write 3 here and 6 here. Now observe, there are 4 digit of 6, and now so this is the last digit is 6, and lesser digit than 6 is 5, and greater digit than 3 is 4. So we know the concept, when 4 digit would be given, we have to take the 3 digit lesser than this. It means we have to take 3 5s here, and greater digit is 4. Then we have to take, what we can say here, 4 triple 4s we have to take. So this is called our answer. So in the same style we can take here another problem. This time I am taking 5 digits number. It means 66,666 whole square. Right. Now I am writing here 6 squares means 36. 3 will be here and 6 will be here. So lesser digit is, what we can see here, lesser than the digit is 5, greater than 3 is 4. So here we have 6 digits. That's why lesser digit we have to take. How many we have to take? Here there are 5 digits. That's why 4 we have to take. And here what we can say here, greater than the digit is 4. Then there are 5 digits. Then we have to take 4 digits. So this is called our answer. In simplest manner, we can do any kind of problems. Here, and one more example we are going to see here, and that is another type. So here, if I take number 3, 3,333 whole square I am taking this time. So just observe friends here, in previous question 9 square, when we take the number 9 squares means 81, 2 digit number has come, and coming to 6 squares means 36, so means 2 digit has come. But here 3 square means 9, we are getting only 1 digit number. That's why just divide like this. 3 squares means 9 means just write 0 here, and 9 will be here. Write like this, right? And this is the 9 number, lesser number than this is 8, and this is the 0, greater than this number is 1. But we know the concept, how many digits are there. So just we have to say there are 4 digits. But here coming to concept, when 4 digit would be given, we have to take the lesser digit than this. So how many we have to take? When 4 will be given, we have to take 3 here, and here we have to take 4 greater than this digit. So lesser than 9 is what we can say 8. So there are 4 digits, that's why we have to take only 3 lesser numbers, and same condition will be applicable here. This is the 0, greater than 0 is 1. So we have to take here only 3 ones. So this is our answer. So let us see one more example. Right, this time I am taking 5 digit square, 33,333 whole square. Same condition will be applicable. 3 square mean 9. So already we have learned the concept. So simply write here 0 and 9, and observe there are 5 digits. So those are called 8, and here 4 digits are greater. So this is called our answer. And when we can see one more example, this time I am taking 6 digit number, 3,33,333 whole square I am taking. So observe here. So this is the 6 digit square. We know that 6 squares mean, we know that 3 squares means 9. So then take here 0, 9, right? So there are 6 digits, that's why we have to take 5 8s here and 5 ones. So this is called our answer. In such a method we have to follow any kind of questions. So these 3 digits of squares are very, very important. Many times our given questions from this topic. Right? Thank you.